Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about computed columns in SQL Server. This is the second video in this video series, so please try to watch my previous videos. I have explained very basic options how to create and where we can find whether it is computed or not. We have seen some details and so in this video we are going to talk about how to create a persistent computed column and how much space it is taking. So whether it is possible to create an index on computed column. We are going to see all the options in today's video. Okay, let's try to go to the SQL Server Management Studio. There we can understand the demo. So for timing, I have prepared a script for today's demo purpose. Let's try to understand one by one. So even I explained this procedure in last video also. It gives the detailed information about computed columns that are available in this table. Okay, I'm trying to execute it. So it means there are no computed columns so far. Okay, I will try to create this one. So it's completed successfully. Now I'll try to verify. So we can clearly visible what is the table name, what kind of column and what kind of definition it is, whether it is persisted or not. It's not persisted, but we are going to discuss in this video how to create and all. So is it possible to create an index on computed column and whether it is precise and deterministic, all the information we can find it here. Okay, and also we can say is persisted. It's not, because it's coming on the fly. Whenever we request it on the fly, it will be calculated. Okay, now we'll try to verify the size. So we can see these are the size. I'll try to take a snipping on this. Now this is the size. Okay, how many rows and what is the index size and all. Now I will try to create a one non-clustered index on this computed column. So I have created one computed column, but on top of that I am trying to create a one non-clustered index, and we'll try to see. So it has been created successfully. Now I will try to verify the size of the how much space it is taking. We'll see that. Now you can see, right, visibly how much space extra it is taking by creating the one more index on computed column. So it is taking, we can see unused is 136 KB, but when it comes to before 40, index size 392, now it is 968 KB. Okay, and the data result. So it is taking a little bit extra space because we have created one non-clustered index on computed column. Okay, so that way we can create. Now I'm gonna create one persistent column. How to create and all we are going to see in this video. Now I'm dropping the index, drop index name on table name. Okay, try to click on execute. So index dropped successfully, and also I'm dropping the computed column. So for that we need to write alter table name, drop computed column name. Just click on execute. That is also successfully dropped. Now this time I want to create a computed column with persisted. So what is the syntax means? Alter table name, add bonus. This is the definition of this column, and persisted. It means that it will be stored in the disk only. Okay, it's not calculated on the fly. It will be stored as a disk. Okay, now I'll try to execute it. So this has been completed successfully. Now we'll try to verify whether it has been persisted or not. Now we can see, right, bonus, it has been created, right, it's computed column. Now what I'm trying to run one more time this procedure. So by using this procedure we'll get to know whether it is computed or whether it is persisted or not. Try to click on execute. Now we can see, right, so before I created as a persisted, here we can find 0, here as a no, but After creating persisted as a completed column, we can able to see one yes. It means now the completed column is a persisted. It means that it will be data will be stored in the disk. Okay, and also we can verify the space also, because we did not create any index on this. If you create an index, automatically space will be increased. I will try to create an index. So index has been created successfully. Now we'll try to check one more time. Sorry. So here you can see the difference. It is 40, it is 89, 68, here 392. So space a little bit extra taken because we have created one non-clustered index on persisted completed column. So likewise we can create without persisted or with persisted. Without persisted means data is not going to store in the disk. Virtually it will calculate it on the fly and it will give the result set. But when you create a completed column as a persisted means data will be stored in the disk. So that is the difference. That's all for today's video. So this is the last video in this video series, so I'll try to come up with a new video series. Thank you so much. So please try to watch my previous videos. If you have any questions or queries, so please send me an email and drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you. Stay tuned.